What's today? 17. Welcome to, are you sure? Yes, it is. It's my birthday. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. Me and my man are en route to get something to eat because we're hungry. And then we have a couple light errands to do. Let's go to Target. Well, you were asleep. And then I need to pick something up from CVS. And I think that's it. What are we gonna eat for dinner? You wanna, like, should we make food? I think we should make food. Oh, I want a donut. I want a Krispy Kreme donut. Not a box. Maybe like a half dozen. Like 6. We don't get a whole box. Look at this shit. You farted. This is what I deal with, y'all. Literally. And he's just smiling. You're disgusting. That's literally dirty. We gonna come back after when we at the place where we get some. We're going IHOP. You sure we're going IHOP? So make a left now. We'll be back when we're at IHOP because clearly someone can't control their bowels. So I know the last clip I think was at me at Starbucks, but I'm back. It's been a day.
Hi, what can I get started for you?
Could I get a grande green tea latte with soy milk?
I'm sorry, those are grande matcha green tea latte with soy?
Yes.
All right. Anything else?
No, thank you.
And that's a hot drink?
Yes.
All right. Your total is $5.46.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I've had like the worst back pain. I don't know why. It's only on my left side. I don't know if I slept wrong. Okay, so quick story short, or long story short, my plan was to go to Target after I went to Starbucks the first time, but then I just didn't feel it. Like, you know when the vibes were just off and you just don't feel like going. So I just didn't feel like going. So then we went home for a little bit, chilled, and now I'm just back out real quick at Target by myself because sometimes we're just gonna stay by ourselves. We're just gonna be by ourselves for a little bit. Got a matcha green tea latte. But yes, I'm just gonna run in Target. I have a lot of little small things that I need. So where's my mask? Hopefully I can just run in and go get those things and be out. Today was a very chill vlog, but I definitely got a couple little random errands done that I needed done. This aisle is my weakness. Well, technically not this one. Where's the curly hair? Yes, the curly hair section. Ooh, scrunchies. I've been really into scrunchies, especially with this look. See, I got a little phone view. Ooh, this is pretty. I've also been wanting to try this. The Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. If anybody's tried it, let me know. So I'm not really in here for much. So I don't want to just waste too much time because I will literally get caught up in Target if I stay in here too long. So I'm just trying to get to the basics and get out of here. It's perfect because they're not playing music, so I don't have to cut this. Because that's the one bad thing about trying to vlog in Target is they have music. So then I feel like when I get copywritten,